roots is climb my highest hill, chase the crown and bend your will. But a whisper carried on the wind says the race is not what lets you win. The broken hearts, the weary souls, the ones who know they're not in control, find a treasure money cannot buy, a kingdom waiting on the other side. Blessed are the poor in spirit, the ones who know they need your hand. Blessed are the hearts surrender, standing on a different kind of land, not built on power, pride, or fame, not lifted high by earthly gain. The humble hear heaven call their name and find a kingdom in the rain. The meek don't always take the stage, they don't demand or boast their name, yet mercy walks beside their feet and turns their weakness into strength. They hunger for what's right and true, they seek a world made new by you, and every tear they've cried in faith will be redeemed by endless grace. Blessed are the poor in spirit, the ones who know they need your hand. Blessed are the hearts surrender, standing on a different kind of land, not built on power, pride, or fame, not lifted high by earthly gain. The humble hear heaven call their name and find a kingdom in the rain. When the world says be enough, you say come as you are. When the world says stand alone, you trust to your heart. The last become the first someday, the lost are finally found. The weak are lifted by your grace and stand on holy ground. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for there's a kingdom of the skies. Blessed are the ones who trust you, even through the darkest nights. For every humble soul that kneels will know the love that never leaves. The kingdom belongs to hearts that see their greatest strength.